Hello everyone, it's Wednesday evening. How are you doing? I've been out singing with a few people. It happened to be someone's birthday today, so we went round to their house and sung a little happy birthday. I could say who it is, couldn't I? It's Pat's birthday. Many of you will know Pat. Pat is like, I was going to say a cornerstone, but that means there would be other corners. There are people that do a lot for that group. Pat is definitely a cornerstone, if not two cornerstones, of the Thursday evening group. He's on the door, so he's very visibly supporting me, but he also does a lot of little supportive stuff behind the scenes. So it was really nice to go around and sing for him and give him a nice little birthday surprise. So I would sing happy birthday to him here, but he doesn't watch these videos, so there we go. He's had his happy birthday. And it's a very melty day today. Really, really hot. I feel a little bit like I'm in a greenhouse right now. I've tried to be outside as much as I could today in the shade, just in the yard. And what else? It is the last but one of these videos, and it's interesting. Often when I come to the end of a project, I have a bit of a like, oh, it's more or less finished, I'll just leave it there. So there's a kind of bit of me that doesn't want to finish it, so I have to push myself a little bit to finish it. But then there's also another part of me that's kind of like, oh yeah, we're finishing out, so let's just finish and bye. And doesn't kind of properly take time to finish. Consequently, I don't really know what do you do when you're taking time to finish. So it still feels incredible to me that it's been 99 days today, and also really incredible that so many of you have watched 99 videos. Really fantastic. And I know for some people it was kind of like, oh well, we're in lockdown, choir's not happening, so I'll just forget about singing for a few months. And that's fine. And it's just been great to have so many of you kind of being in touch with me every day or every few days or every couple of weeks, and just commenting on the videos. It's been really wonderful. So I felt very accompanied through the lockdown, even though I haven't seen many of you. So thank you for that. And at the beginning of it, I was, after the first week or two, when we had like 15 songs, I was like, oh, wouldn't it be lovely to do a little workshop and have a sing through together, once we're allowed to be back face to face. We'll have a little get together and sing all these songs. And now I'm thinking, gosh, 100 songs, how long would that take? It'd be like 4 days or something to sing them all. So once you're back, because I'm aware that people are kind of coming back to singing in different stages at different speeds. Once you're back with me, if there are any of these that you'd really like to sing with me, do come and let me know. And obviously you're all from different groups and stuff, so let me know when events are coming up, if there's a particular song that you'd like me to do at a particular event, and I can put that in there. Or you may well have sung these like so many times you don't want to sing them ever again. I don't know. So this song it's actually the chorus for a song called Rolling Home by Roy Bailey, who's a folk singer. And if you look up this song on YouTube, you'll find various versions of it, of him, including lots of him performing it. And sometimes at his gigs, the audience burst into harmony in the chorus, and so I'm just going to teach you the chorus of the song. And it's a lovely little It's a lovely little chorus. Okay, I'm going to go for it. The soprano part feels quite high to me, but it may well not to proper sopranos. So the words are rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. And I noticed on the recording that I've pronounced the rolling a little bit more than I probably would do normally. Anyway, I don't suppose Roy Bailey was too bothered about it. Soprano part goes like this. Rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. It's the first bit. Rolling home, when we go rolling home. Sing that with me. Rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, that bit, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling home. So that's second half. When we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. From the top. Oh no, that bit. When we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. From the top. Rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. Once more. Rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. Okay. So, altos. Rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. So the first bit. Rolling home, when we go rolling home. Sing it with me. Rolling home, when we go rolling home. And then when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling home. So the whole of the second part. When we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. From the top. Rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. Once more. Rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. That's the alto part. And then the tenor part. I'm just going to check my notes. Yes, I thought I'd dropped a little bit. It's probably I probably dropped on the soprano, so the alto part probably. Rolling home, rolling home, home. home. Oh no, I'm all right. Pressing the wrong one. Okay. Rolling sopranos, rolling altos, rolling tenor. So it sounds like this. Rolling home when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling when we go rolling home. So the first bit, rolling home when we go rolling home. Okay. Rolling home when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling home. So the second half goes, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. From the top tenors, rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. Once more, rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. Okay, and then the bass part. Rolling home, which will be down there. Rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. First part. Rolling home, when we go rolling home. Sing it with me. Rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. With me? When we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. If you can get down there, we go home. There's no way I can. I'm already at the bottom of my range. So the whole line. Rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. Rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. Okay. Rolling home, rolling home, rolling home, rolling home. Now, I think the recording goes through it twice, so I'll play it. I'll play it twice, and then if the mood takes me, I may even play it once more, just so we've got a good run at it without me singing over the top. Okay, I'm going to do the parts in the order that I've just taught them, so top down. Rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. Rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. Back to the beginning. go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. Once more. Rolling home, when we go rolling home, when we go rolling, rolling, when we go rolling home. Fantastic. Lovely. So I've never actually seen Roy Bailey, and sadly won't now because he died a year or two ago. But I've been to quite a few folk clubs, and I just kind of imagine people towards the end of the night on maybe their third or fourth pint of beer, maybe a few more, getting ready to roll home. It kind of has that energy about it for me. That's how I hear it anyway. So I hope you like that little one. Have a look at Roy Bailey, and I will see you tomorrow for the last one. I realise I've just done this video in one take. Usually something goes wrong. So it may be, for some reason, the first video that I do in a run of videos has a little bit of distortion at the very beginning. So if that's what happened, then sorry about that. But it does fade quickly. Okay. See you tomorrow for the 100th song. Goodbye.